Want to create a truly immersive fire experience with your Dimplex Optimyst? Let's dive into a few key tips to ensure you're getting the most optimal flame performance. For all Optimyst products, a fresh air inlet is required. Failure to include one will result in poor flame performance and damage to the fireplace. The air inlet must allow for the air path to reach the underside of the unit. This will have to be accounted for in the framing and drywall installation. For optimized viewing angle of the flame, it is recommended that the bottom of the unit be mounted between 5 inches and 50 inches from the ground. It is also crucial that the unit is flush and level within the framing. Failure to do so may result in poor flame performance. All Optimyst units come with an extra transducer. Using 2 transducers will help create a higher, larger flame effect. Normal tap water can be used in the Optimyst. Maintenance is integral to the performance of Optimyst products. It is recommended this takes place 1 to 2 times per year in residential homes and 3 to 4 times per year in commercial businesses. In areas with hard water, a water softener is recommended. With hard water, more frequent cleaning and maintenance may be required. Unfiltered water supplied from a well or another unmonitored supply is not recommended. When arranging media on the ember bed, it is not recommended to place the driftwood pieces or crystals across the flame outlet slot. If this configuration is required, please use the provided baffles to block the flames beneath the log to prevent flame impingement and poor flame flow. Each fireplace has unique flame controls. See the owner's manual for individual customization and control options. Placement is key. While most Optimyst models can handle moderate air currents, remember that Optimyst cassette models with open flames are more susceptible to wind and drafts. Place them in areas with minimal air disturbance for the best flame performance, or add windshields to prevent drafts and improve flame stability. Finally, we recommend using professional installers. While many Optimyst models are relatively easy to install, professional expertise can ensure proper setup and optimal performance, especially for larger or more complex installations. By following these simple guidelines, you can maximize the beauty and enjoyment of your Dimplex Optimyst fireplace.